Welcome back to part 3 of the How to Take Control in Chaotic and Turbulent Times. So now we have done our planning, our organization and shopping. It is time to decide what we're going to cook. Now, when you do the shopping, there might be some items that's out of stock or in shortage. You will need to make some compromise or find alternatives, don't you? If you're by yourself, congratulations, that's really good for you to decide what you're going to cook, and you can decide that and then make it happen. But what if you're living with other person or persons in the house that had different ideas about eating and cooking? Then you need to really communicate with them first. Think about the purpose of you making the change in your cooking, eating style. You want to incorporate more plant-based food, so you need to let other people in the house to know that you want to increase more meatless meals and let them come to the party. Or you need to make some compromises. Say, for example, if you're going to make spaghetti bolognese, vegetarian style, you can make a big batch, but when you make the sauce just about ready for yours, you can split it into 2 pots. The other one, you can add the non-vegetarian ingredients in. So everybody in the house can still join at the same table, enjoy your meals. Right? So think about the purpose of you making the change during this time, because time is on your side. You are able to make the change without stress, and you can make it happen however time that you need to do it. Some people have the idea of changing their eating plan to the plant-based food because of their health reason, or they want to lose weight, or they just want to incorporate more meatless items in their cooking. And that's a good thing. So based on that, just expand your lifestyle. And if you have any more questions about how to do it without stress, comment below and I'd be happy to answer you. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.